Dear traders, in whatever you do, don't give up trading. Yes, it's not going to be easy. It may take time, but just remain focused and positive. Put God first in everything you do, and you'll see how things will align. No successful trader figured it out immediately. It took time, months, and years of hard work, resilience, and consistency. Don't give yourself reasons to give up. Don't count your losses. Don't think yours is worse. Don't feel like everything is against you. Remain positive and always say to yourself, I will become a successful trader. The journey all started as a dream for me. A dream to become successful. A dream to pull my family out of poverty. A dream to have a good life. I started from zero, building brick by brick. So many times, I will build, it will fall. But that didn't throw me off balance because I'm not scared to start again with full force. I remained focused in my grind. I remained positive. I am my number one motivator. I can't talk down on myself. I can't speak negativity into my life no matter the circumstances. I set high standards, high goals, and I put in the work to achieve them. I am not where I want to be yet, but I'm obviously better than yesterday. I will keep the hustle going. I will keep pushing. I will keep moving forward because there is no looking back. So traders, progress, no matter how small, is always something to be proud of. Keep focusing on the positives and continue to take small steps forward each day. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Stay focused on your goals and trust that things get better with time. You've got this. Keep up with the work and stay motivated. It can only get better.